All right, let's talk about the Roth for a second. Again, we're talking about crypto in the framework of taxation. So you just got to determine, are you investing or are you in business? If you're investing, should you be investing in tax deferred accounts like 401ks or in Roth IRAs? The beauty of the Roth is the money may be taxable going in, but any gains that are subsequent to that, they come out to you tax-free, essentially. So the backdoor Roth, I'm not going to go into these in great detail. We have other videos about it. If they're of interest, get hold of me. We can talk through it in ginormous detail. The backdoor Roth is essentially moving money from your 401k into a Roth. It's a mechanism to get more into the Roth IRA than you could normally. There are income thresholds on the Roth IRA. Tax-free growth, of course, the future gains are not taxable. They come to free of tax, which is essentially the Peter Thiel model. I think you've all heard of it. He's $5 billion Roth IRA. If you haven't, look it up, check it out. It's pretty cool.